Hey everybody, okay, so today I'm going to be doing a BirchBox unboxing, and so I've gotten 2 of them as a prize for getting them for the holidays, and I'm going to be doing more information about what's in them, so I'll see you on the see you in the video later. Okay. Alright, so everybody, so I've already got the little pink boxes opened and everything like that, and then this are the 2 styles for the boxes. I'm not sure which ones exactly were the actual month box and which one was the freebie. I'm assuming this one's the freebie, because usually the month box is to the theme of the month. But they got this little holiday check card where you could put your friends and what they want, or like what memories you're making together. And then on the back it shows you what you have in your BirchBox, and it gives you the prices of each of the items as their full price item. So instead of the travel size that you get in the box, you get the actual full size price. And for this one down here, it shows that it has a multiple range, which basically means it either comes in a kit or it comes in multiple sizes. So we'll get more into that in just a minute. They come covered in these cute little tissue papers. They didn't always have the tissue paper. I've gotten them before. Let's see. Looks like I've got a little coupon code for later for brushes. So in here it looks like we have a Love, Beauty, and Planet. So it's going to be a sulfate-free shampoo. And okay. And on here it says for body strength, for fine hair, acts of love for your planet. So this is going to be a natural kind of shampoo. It's going to have less fillers and parabens and everything like that. I'm going to have to read more about what it is exactly. We're going to do another video on that later. Okay, so we have the Juliette Has Gone, and this is a perfume, or not a perfume. What is this? Let's actually open it and find out. Oh, it is a perfume. Why does it say not a perfume? Okay, so it is a little tiny trial perfume. It is a little tiny trial perfume. Even though it says not a perfume. So we'll read more about exactly what they mean by that in just a sec. Okay, and then I have the Wander Beauty Mile High Club. It is a volume and length mascara. And I've gotten a mascara before, so let's open this to make sure it actually has... Yes, it actually has mascara in there this time. I got one before, it was the flamingo one, and it didn't. Oh, yes. So there is the packaging. And these are pretty good for size. This one comes with 10 grams or 0.35 ounces. This little perfume, not perfume, is 1.7 milliliters or 0.057 fluid ounces. This bottle, even for a travel size, it is quite big. It's 3 fluid ounces or 89 milliliters. So even for a travel size, I am not mad at that at all. Okay, and then for this one, we have the Amica, I think I'm saying that right, Supernova Moisture Sun Cream. It is a caffeinated hydration balance. So I'm assuming this is going to be like a face cream. I'll read off the card what they're supposed to be in a little bit. And this one comes with 20 milliliters or 0.67 fluid ounces. Okay, so this one, it is the A+ high dosage retinoid serum. It is for okay. It is for well, I wasn't able to read it. It cut out So I'm just going to read off the card what it's for. And it says Sunday Riley, it looks like. Might be the brand. But I'm going to read off what that is. And then the last thing that I had showed earlier before it cut out was the conditioner for the shampoo. And it is the fragrance coconut water and mimosa flowers, it looks like. And also comes in 3 fluid ounces. And for the shampoo and conditioner, you don't normally get them as a kit. Sometimes you get one, sometimes you get the other one. But for the Juliet has a gun, not perfume. It's a perfume. They're just playing on the fact that it's not a perfume. Because right here it says that it's a scent, so it's supposed to be a perfume. Okay, so what was it? Oh yes, so the brand is Sunday Relay or Sunday Riley. It is a retinoid vitamin A derivative. Vitamin A is derivative. Is a key to this serum is fighting signs of aging and improves the looks of congested skin. Okay, so pretty much it is an anti-aging serum. I'm not sure if I'll be using that. I might gift that one away. Okay, so for the shampoo and conditioner, they say that this is a vegan volumizing conditioner for this one. It is a water formula, hydrates and strengthens your hair without weighing it down. For the shampoo, it is also vegan, and you will end up with bouncy soft hair after washing it. And it also is color safe volumizing shampoo, plus the mimosa flower scent is supposed to be really nice. So I will let you guys know about how those do in another update for all of those. Now we'll go to the next one. Okay. Let's see. This one's got a little thing. It says sleep in, do face mask, go for a hike. It's kind of like a little pep talk for your morning kind of thing. And of course we've got another list. It looks like some of the items on here, at least one of the brands I've had before, but some of the items on here are way different in price. This one comes from $12 to $24. So that one's got a multiple size range for the benefits. So let's see what we have. Oh, it's a leave-in conditioner for the Qua. Okay, so I have this one in the sea salt hair wavy spray. It's supposed to make your hair do waves like if you're at the ocean. So we have a leave-in conditioner for that one. And that one comes in 0.84 fluid ounces or 25 milliliters. And like I said, it doesn't always come with the paper, so I'm assuming that the paper is kind of a holiday thing. Let's see, which one is this one? Oh, this is Bad Gal Bang, and it's from Benefit, and it looks like it is, what are we? It is another mascara. So I'll open this one here in a little bit, just to see if it actually has anything in there. So. And this one's how it's supposed to be before and after. So it's supposed to give you a really dramatic eyelash look. It's supposed to be a 36-hour hold for a full blast volume. And you're supposed to see a 90% dramatic difference. So that's something else I'll be testing out later. Let's see. We have the True Morgan, it looks like. And I'm not, oh, it's a face oil. Okay. So it's going, oh, and this one, I forgot to mention, it comes with 0.3 or 3 grams or 0.1 ounce. Okay, so in the True Morgan, this one comes with 0.17 fluid ounces or 5 milliliters. And this is supposed to be a face oil. And it's ideal for all skin types. The Morgan oil absorbs quickly, leaving skin hydrated with a light, dewy finish. So that's kind of nice for those who like that. You could apply to a fresh, clean face twice daily to protect against premature aging, fights blemishes, keeps skin soft and radiant. So there's something that I'm kind of looking forward to seeing how that feels. And then we have, what are you? I hate it when they do the packaging like this. Let's see, I'm going to go to the card to see what it is. Oh, it is a Beauty Crop eyeliner. So it's supposed to be a Wing Woman eyeliner, or liquid liner. So I'm assuming it's got some sort of felt tip on there. And I'll open that here in a second so we can give it a look. And let's see if I can find the ounces on here. Oh. No, that's the expiration date. And all of these do come with an expiration date on them. Some of them are cruelty-free, some of them don't say necessarily. I can't find an actual ounces on here, so I'm going to have to open it later, but this is pretty much what the conjumbled mess of everything is. So I'm going to have to take the plastic off to actually see what it says underneath. And then it looks like we got a liquid lip. Yes, it is a... Oh, I can't even say what that says. It's Clinique or something like that. I don't know. I'll have Cluco. I'll have to look. It might actually just be Dulce. I don't even know.
Clucco.
No. It's this one right here. For all those who are wondering, this one. But it's supposed to be a luscious lip in satin. It's got this pretty little pink color. And this one does not give me a actual amount on there, but it is a trial size or a travel size. So you get quite a bit in there. And for somebody who doesn't use it a lot, that's not too bad. So let's see. For the mystery of pronunciation for that one, the Luscious Lip Satin is in Steaming Red. Okay, so that is... I'm assuming what that color is. It might come in different colors. Paint your pout in this long-lasting saturated shade of deep... Oh, it's a rose red. Okay, so that's why that's that. Deep rose red that glides on smoothly, leaving a matte finish. Ooh, I like that. And just one swipe coverage. So that is something we could find out later on another time to see how well that is. And it's supposed to be perfect for day and night. Let's see, the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang. This one is supposed to be a volumizing mascara, like we read earlier. It's supposed to be lashes ready for liftoff. This gravity-defying mascara creates a major volume without weighing lashes down, thanks to the formula of feather white aero particles. Not sure if that's just kind of like fancy speech, but we'll see how that works. So, I guess I have to open it now. Okay, so it comes in this little tiny package. I'm assuming the full size is going to be the exact same. This one comes with 0.1 ounce or 3 grams, yeah. So let's see if it actually has anything in there, because my experience with mascaras, yes, it does. It has some in there. And it's got this cute little wand on here that's got really separated, so that's probably going to be really, really nice for when you got stubborn lashes that don't like to come undone, because nobody likes clumping. Okay. Let's see. For the Beauty Crop, let's see if we can get what's actually in here. And what does it look like? I shouldn't have cut my nails. Come on, plastic, work with me. There we go. Sorry guys, I'm having technical difficulties over here. My nail's not working with me. Okay, there we go, got it to go. Alrighty, so this comes with 1.5 grams or 0.05 ounces on here. It looks like it's cruelty free with a little bunny. We have the expiration date on most of them are going to be like this. This one's supposed to be 6 months from opening. And let's see, it doesn't have much for the packaging, but it's supposed to be formulated in Italy, packaged in China. So that's kind of fun. It says the beauty crop right here for Winged Woman. Liquid eyeliner. I'm assuming this is going to be a black eyeliner. There's this nice little tiny felt tip on it. So, and then, yeah, it does really, really fine lines on there. So that's going to be really nice for when you do wing liner or just eyeliner in general. And it does not move. So that is definitely long lasting. And then for the lipstick here, typical little doe-foot on there. And we'll just do a little swatch. So it does look like it's very pigmented. It does look like it's going to cover in pretty much one swipe. I mean, most people's mouth isn't going to get it in one swipe. You're going to have to finesse it a little bit. But it's supposed to dry down to a matte. So let me see if I can do that. Alright, so I got it the best I could, but yeah, it does show that it dries down to a matte finish. And let's see, for the parts that are dry, it does look like it transferred a little bit, but it's not completely dry right now, so I'll have to show that a little bit later. Alright, let's see. I think that's about it for everything I can show, really. So alright, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. If you could like, comment, or subscribe to the video, that'd be very appreciated. Bye!
Yeah.